Hi, my name is Shakir Miran. I'm the managing partner at Skylights Energy. At Skylights Energy, we build software for the electrical power industry. How to share a document for your electric control panels using our QR code. So we do provide a QR code can be pasted on your control panels. So each company will have a unique QR code available which can be pasted in all their panels. And how it differs from panel to panel, I will show that to you now. So once you've created an account, you can directly log in, click on your profile. And as you click on next, here you will have a company information page. Here is a QR code. It is a unique QR code available only for your company. So you can directly right click and save this image and give it to your nameplate printing. Or you can directly copy this by clicking here and accessing that particular QR code like this. So let's see how this works. First thing is, you would have created a project. You would have created a quotation inside your project. And here are the panels that you would like to share documents for. Click on the QR code right next to the panel. Add files that you would like to share. Let's say this is a drawing file that I'd like to share. Click on Share Status. Give any username and password that you would like to share with your customer for this particular project. Now, please note, you can only access the document using this particular username and password. Click on Update. Click on Share Status again. Now the Share Status has been activated. Close this. The username that you entered and the password that you entered. Now you can log out. Now anyone who accesses that particular QR code will come to a page like this, and by entering that particular username and password, they will be able to access the project details page. So in this project details, the name of the project, the panel supplier, the panel address, that is your company's information, will be available here, and your company's contact information will be available here. And the customer to whom you have given the panel will be available here. Here is the username and the password that you've entered. And here are the panels that you've shared the documents for. So when you expand this particular panel, that is the document that you shared for this particular panel. So there is no cost information available. It is simply to share documents for each of your panels. Documents such as drawings, control drawings, single line diagrams, GA diagrams, service history of panels, commissioning reports. Any document that you'd like to share for this panel can be done so like this. When you click on this PDF, that's the document that you uploaded. Uploading of documents is only accessible from the company's login credentials. Nobody else can add documents to this project. And if you'd like to see the documents that you have shared with your customers, you can always go back to the project page, see the username, password, and this icon indicates that there is a document that has been shared for this project. When you click on this icon, you will see the name of this file. And if you'd like to see the file, you can click on this icon. It will download a copy to your system. So there you go. That's how you share documents using Switchonomy.com. Thank you.